quick tutorial today, I want to show you how easy it is to navigate data using Python's JSON DB API tutorial that we have created for you here. So first, you're going to need to download your FairCom DB. I've already done that and pre-zipped. As you can see right here, I just have a FairCom DB for a Windows build right here with all the unzipped contents. First, I'm going to want to go into my server and start the FairCom database. As we can see here, server's up and running. Navigate back. Once we've completed that, I'm going to want to jump inside of the Python JSON nav, which is located inside the drivers folder. Once we're inside of that, we're going to go to Python JSON nav and open a command line. Once here, there's going to be a few prerequisites that need to be installed. However, I have already run this, but I can still run it again. Oh, missed the trailing T. And there we go. Great. Once from there, we're going to navigate inside to the tutorials folder so we can see all the actions that are available to us. Currently, we have many. And just for the simple explanation, I'm going to run the Python ping. And as you can see that, we've pinged successfully, which is going to give you the same output that you would run and see if you have been running this in the UI. There's other great tutorials on here, and if you have any more questions, feel free to follow the documentation. Thank you.